Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. Is your Wi-Fi keep disconnecting in your Windows or computer? Then today I'm gonna show you different solutions that will 100% work for you. So let's get started. First is you need to press Windows and R key together. Once you open it, type dfvmgmt.msc, then click on OK. So once you open this new window, which contains a device manager, you need to look for network adapters. Okay, then click the arrow icon here, and here you need to choose the network driver that you are actually using. So once you find it or once you choose that, just do a right click and go to properties. And here it has this three options. Go to power management. And here, you need to make sure that allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is unmarked. Okay? If it's marked, then unmark it and click on OK. After that, you need to restart your computer. Okay? After you start your computer, check if your Wi-Fi works again. Let's say if it still keeps on disconnecting, then let's proceed to the next step, which is to go for power plan. Here, just have to simply search for power, and this best match will appear. Edit power plan, just click on open. Once you open your power plan, go to change advanced power settings. Okay? Here, you need to look for power. Okay? Let's just work for. Okay, here under the wireless adapter settings, it has this power saving mode below. Just have to click the add icon here and make sure that in on battery it is in maximum, and in plugged in it is in maximum performance default. Okay? After that, just click on apply and then OK. Then you need to restart your computer and see if your Wi-Fi is working again. Let's say if still doesn't, then let's proceed to the next step, which is to press Windows and R key together, or just simply do a right click here and go for run. After that, you need to type for NC, I mean services, sorry for that, services dot MSC. Then click OK to open. Okay? So the moment you open this new windows here, just press anywhere of this and then type W. Press W in your keyboard and look for WWAN auto config. Okay? So once you found it, just click to mark this blue one and then do a right click and go to properties and make sure that at the startup type it is in automatic, then apply, then OK. Okay, so once you hit that apply, it will now run the system. This will help you to make your network better, and you just have to right click again and go to start. Okay, so the moment you click on start, you need to restart your computer again and check if your Wi-Fi is working better. And let's say if still keeps on disconnecting, then we need to restart and clear the IP logs and network profiles in your network. How? Just simply press Windows and R key together, or you can simply search CMD here for command prompt and go for Run as Administrator. Your user account control will ask you to allow, just simply click on Yes. And this new window will appear here. Just have to input this NETSH WinSock reset. You can simply pause this video to take note out of it. Let me just copy this and paste it. Then click enter to continue. Now this will reset the WinSock catalog, the network catalog of your computer. It will take some time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes depending on your machine. Okay? So after that, just have to restart your computer and check if your Wi-Fi is working again. Then, let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the next step, which is to go for Windows and R key together, press that, then type in cpa.cpl, then click OK. Okay. Sorry, I have inputted NC. I added A accidentally. Sorry for that. Click OK. So the moment you open your network connections window, just have to select the internet that you are currently using and do a right click of it and go to properties. After that, you need to look for internet protocol version and go for properties. And here, you need to input the preferred DNS server. And let's input the best Google server, which is 8.8.8, and here under the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4 and click OK. Okay? After that, you just have to restart your computer again and see if your Wi-Fi is working. Okay? So let's say if all of those steps still not working for you, then I have the last step that I'm going to recommend you is to update your computer. In my case, I have just update my Windows. So mostly in some cases, when you update your Windows to update, all of the issues, concerns, or problems that you may encounter in your computer will be fixed. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your Wi-Fi which is kept on disconnecting. Hopefully all of those steps helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.